Ria kaunti mirongo na igiri niciitikirite gukorwo ikiiga keheri-ini migunda ya waaki wa nyumba cia Raithi ari ni mubango umwe wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Minister wa migunda ni Njeru na uria wariti ari mwena wa Naivasha augite ati ni maigite ciringi bilioni 93 ni gukinyaniria mubango uyu wa waaki wa nyumba cia Raithi.
As a government, we are supposed to deliver 200,000 units each year, and for us to do that, and of course also increase the mortgage from 30,000 to $1 million. So for us to do that, we realized we must bring on board other stakeholders, and that's why we are here. We brought sectors, other different players in which will make us deliver these units. So we have water sector represented, the road sector represented, we also have the county government represented. Realized we need a conversation, and that's what we've started today. And we don't want to start them without involving them. So I think so far we have about 42 county governments have shown interest. We've signed MOUs with them. So that shows also they are key partner in the whole affordable housing program. We have been involving them, but we've never brought them together. So we realized since what we do, we all need to have a conversation together. We want to be together. We want to synergize all our, all our energies towards doing this. So that's why, as a ministry, as a government, we decided to bring them all together so that we can engage together.
Last administration, housing was still part of the Jubilee agenda. We made a mistake, and this is a mistake that we are not planning to make again. And what was our mistake? Our mistake is that we had a big pronouncement about doing 500,000 homes during the 5 years, but then that pronouncement was never accompanied by planning and resources.
Na ripoti